Hello, dear all. Welcome back to my series of lectures on history of medicine. So, this fascinating video on first part of Mesopotamian medicine explores the powerful blend of magic, religion, and of course medical science that shaped one of the earliest medical systems in human history. So we discuss status of medicine in the ancient Mesopotamian civilization. Mesopotamian civilization is called as cradle of civilization, means beginning of civilization. It dates way back 5000 BC. You can see two pictures of King Hammurabi and second picture of cuneiform tablets. So King Hammurabi was the first king who laid 280 laws for the conduct of physician. The legendary Code of Hammurabi regulated medical ethics. He is the first king who has laid the 280 laws. The Code of Hammurabi was engraved on 2-meter high steel found in 1901 in Susa, Iran, now preserved in Louvre. This is a law code found on polished diorite, has 280 laws engraved for regulation of society, family, life of people and their occupation and conduct of physician. This picture is of cuneiform tablet. It is the system of writing established by Sumerians for 2000 years in ancient Mesopotamia. A wedge-shaped marks made by a stylus on wet clay tablet was the system they had invented. So this is the first writing. They mark the culture of ancient Mesopotamian civilization way back from 3100 BC. The oldest medical prescription comes to us from Mesopotamia, dates back to 2100 BC. This is a seal of King Hammurabi, and this is a picture available on internet which depicts the law for code of conduct of physician and punishments given to them. You will see the maps where is the exact position of Mesopotamian region. It is a land in between the rivers. Mesopotamia means land in between the rivers Euphrates and Tigris. Mesopotamian medicine. This is a region around rivers Euphrates and Tigris, which are now part of Turkey, Syria and Iraq. So kingdoms of ancient Mesopotamia, you will find in this map there were three: Assyria, Babylonia and Sumer. So people living in the southern Mesopotamia called Sumerians. The era 4500 BC to 4000 BC. Assyria is the ancient kingdom of North Mesopotamia. The era is 721 BC to 633 BC. People were called as Assyrians. Babylon is the chief city of ancient Mesopotamia. The era is 3000 BC. People called Babylonians. Basic concepts of medicine were mainly religious, developed in ancient Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is also cradle of magic. So first civilizations in the western world are taking place near the rivers Euphrates and Tigris. So Mesopotamia is known for it. People knew farming, they lived in community, they had a code of conduct for physicians and punishments given to the physicians. That is, we already discussed the code given by King Hammurabi. So they had ancient Mesopotamia had concept of disease as supernatural. They interpreted diseases as the magico-religious way. The cause of disease was of course demon, so spiritual concept. We already saw the picture of oldest medical prescription comes back from Mesopotamia from 2100 and BC. The doctors were priestly crowns, they were spell doctors who enchanted spells. They believed in healthy rich diet consisting of fruits, vegetables, spices and alcohol. Medical men were called Ashipu, the sorcerers, Baru, Asu, and a priest who have powers. These Ashipu, Baru, and Asu and priest were involved and known for healing of people. The cardinal inventions from Mesopotamia are the cloth, textiles, the seals were prepared to identify property, astrological tables were given by Mesopotamian people, they had weights and measures and also developed solar calendar. They divided circle in 360 degrees, an hour into 60 minutes and a minute into 60 seconds. They studied stars and science of astronomy, invented writing. They knew arithmetic, began the science of numbers and discovered wheel. He is ancient Mesopotamian man. These are the cuneiform tablets and seal of King Hammurabi. Thus, ancient Mesopotamia, the pictures available on internet with the clothing of people, the astronomy, how they had prepared their calculations. This is a revolutionary invention of wheel. Thus, they were deeply connected for the pursuit of knowledge. This isn't a just history, it's a story of how our modern medical understanding began. Thank you for watching this video. So do watch the second part of Mesopotamian medicine where I will be discussing more in details. Do watch my videos on Organon of medicine. Please like, share and subscribe.